How to protect car battery terminals, a comprehensive guide. Maintaining the health of your car's battery is crucial for ensuring its longevity and reliability. One key aspect of battery maintenance is protecting the terminals. Corrosion and poor connections can lead to a range of issues, from difficulty starting your car to complete battery failure. This guide will walk you through the steps to protect your car battery terminals, helping you keep your vehicle running smoothly. Understanding battery terminal corrosion. Battery terminal corrosion is typically a buildup of white, ashy deposits around the terminals. This occurs due to the release of hydrogen gas from the acid in the battery, which reacts with the metal terminals. Over time, this corrosion can impede the flow of electricity and damage the battery and your car's electrical system. Why protecting battery terminals is important. Prevents power loss. Clean and well-maintained terminals ensure efficient power transmission from the battery to the car's electrical system. Extends battery life. Preventing corrosion and maintaining good terminal connections can significantly prolong the battery's lifespan. Avoids starting issues. Clean terminals reduce the risk of voltage drops, which can lead to problems starting your car. Tools and materials you will need. Safety gloves. Safety goggles. Baking soda. Water. Old toothbrush or wire brush. Petroleum jelly or commercial terminal protectant spray. Wrenches for removing battery cables. Clean cloths or paper towels. Step-by-step guide to protecting car battery terminals. 1. First step, safety first. Always prioritize safety when working with car batteries. Wear gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself from acid spills or debris. 2. Second step, disconnect the battery. Turn off your vehicle to ensure no current is flowing. Use a wrench to disconnect the negative terminal first marked with a minus sign or black cover, followed by the positive terminal marked with a plus sign or red cover. 3. Third step, cleaning the terminals. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 cup of water. Dip a toothbrush or wire brush into the baking soda solution and scrub the terminals and cable ends thoroughly. Rinse the cleaned areas with water and dry them with a clean cloth or paper towel. 4. Fourth step, inspect and repair. Check for any signs of damage or excessive wear on the terminals and cables. If you notice significant corrosion or damage, consider replacing the terminals or cables. 5. Fifth step, apply a protective coating. Petroleum jelly, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly to the terminals and cable ends to prevent corrosion. Commercial terminal protectant spray, alternatively, use a protectant spray designed for battery terminals. Follow the product instructions for application. 6. Sixth step, reconnect the battery. Reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Ensure the connections are tight but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the terminals. 7. Seventh step, regular maintenance. Check your battery terminals regularly, at least once every 3 months, to ensure they remain clean and corrosion-free. Reapply protective coatings as needed. Additional tips for battery maintenance. Avoid overcharging. Overcharging can accelerate terminal corrosion. Ensure your car's charging system is functioning correctly. Secure the battery. Make sure the battery is securely mounted to avoid vibrations that can loosen connections and cause damage. Monitor battery health. Regularly test your battery's voltage and overall health, especially before long trips or in extreme weather conditions. Conclusion: protecting your car battery terminals is a simple yet essential part of vehicle maintenance. By following these steps, you can prevent corrosion, ensure reliable performance, and extend the life of your battery.